Runway here.
You want to run where? He? Run where, go where? Me tired of you. Me tired of you. Me tired of you. You're gonna kill me. Oh God. Okay. Tired of you now. You kill me. You kill me. Take off my slippers and can't come give me. Hey, me nah lie, no doggy food smell good, you know. You want to taste it? Yeah. Dog, what you been spit it out for? Lord, how many bumbo cry you just... I try... Me... Dog, you know, I've violated me when I go in the dog, I kill man. Yo. Me I try to make a child food, my youth. Yo, bumbo cry, no.
Yo, Frost, turn up the auto-tune a little bit. Yeah man, that's some I want it there.
Alkaline, I'm hungry. I can't get some of my food in my kitchen.
Yeah man, you can take some of my food in the kitchen, man. I want to tell you. Alka, I can get 200,000 for go buy here. 200,000? Yeah man, see back of money there, man. I want to tell you, you know you can take out money and things. Turn it up the
Alkaline, the sun hot.
Yeah man, I want to tell you, man, babes, you're hot, man. Go put on that, isn't it?
Alka, I want weed.
You want a split? Yeah man, I have you a long time, man. I want to tell you, man, babe. Just split the whole lot, man. I want to tell you.
What do I think of the US election? Oh yeah, us not election already. What do I think of the US election? I did full support of it. Uchi. Yeah. Us not election already.
Not February. Not 2 months yet.
Yeah. I say,
of course.
if you tell me the born America and get the proper nutrition as a child, me don't have me tongue. See a lot of people got doctor, me find out say me develop a stomach. See that? It's a tablet. What me tablet there? What me tablet? Oh, you mean you America? I need to be a virgin. I'm a piece straight, man. Oh. I think set, man. Bad man. Is it matter, man? Is it matter? Calm down. Yo, stop in that. If you do that again, I'll slap you back in a slavery. Let me slap you. You're a fool, man. You're a fool. Here.
Kevin!
Ain't no Kevin around here, nigga. Just you and these fields and work.
Are you there, Kevin? Oh, there, Kevin?
Ain't nobody can hear you around here, nigga. Get back to work.
Kevin!
We got a running nigger. We got a nigger on the loose. Running nigger.
Big lunch kit anywhere me go.
Yo, dance on
Big
Disney.
lunch kit anywhere me
Chill
go.
it.
Big lunch kit anywhere me go. Big lunch kit. Ha. Crayon them there.
Hey, yo, cuss them, that's right.
Crayon them there. Me a tell you say the rubber them there. The rubber them there. Hey, crayon them there.
Girls, peanut butter up in your jelly.
The rubber them there. The rubber them there. Hey, 2 new pen anywhere me right dad.
We bust this hard. Do me work, gone on me yard.
It's the rich bitch in this bitch. I'm here. I'm gonna sip for this black Hennessy. That's my breakfast, guys. Maybe I'll drink tea, like Milo and little stuff. Stick to that. Anyways, I'm here to address a matter. Keisha. Shaped like Keisha, but shaped like laptop Keisha. I'ma need my money, Keisha. The money that I lent you to feed your hungry children, Keisha. I'ma need it. I hate being rich. People continuously asking me for money. Gosh. Oh, I'm so... Y'all may be asking why I'm blowing my nose, because I'm allergic to y'all broke bitches, that's why. Keisha, I need my money. I don't want to hurt you, Keisha. As you know, I'm the baddest Isha out there. There's no Aisha, no preacher, no teacher that is bad like Twisha. And Keisha, I need my shirt and my skirt. But when you return it, I don't want any dirt. Or you get hurt. Oh guys, I just got a 7. Don't ask where I bought it. Stick to your 4s and 4s, please. Like, Keisha, I need my money. Stop being broke, girl.
Flashback. Remember back in the days when you a little boy at Jamaica and the man in the corner see you, I used to love trouble you about. Hey boy, come here, I'm cut out your seed. Mommy, stop him! Nah, play with you, you know. Go ahead!